The sunniest city on Earth enjoys 4,000 hours of sunlight a year according to the World Meteorological Society. That, plus its location alongside the mighty Colorado River, makes Yuma, Arizona a great place to head outdoors. Off-road on the Imperial Sand Dunes, go birding across acres of restored wetlands, many of which used to be an unsightly dump, hike, bike, picnic, swim, and kayak through an expansive collection of riverfront trails and urban parks. Fans of the macabre can wander the haunted halls and enter a dark cell, if you dare, at the notorious Yuma Territorial Prison. Or you can learn about the culture and meticulous beadwork of the Cocopah tribe at their museum. Stroll the main street shops and historic buildings before settling into a meal that uses the fresh ingredients that make Yuma the winter vegetable capital of the world. Getting there, to get to Arizona's 11th largest city, head southeast on I-10, CA-86, and I-8. Some of the 168-mile journey straddles the Mexican border. Travel tip: pregame by watching both the 1957 and 2007 versions of 310 to Yuma or reading the Elmore Leonard short story both were based on